For me, I'll rate the app 9 out of 10, based on the sense that you can get access to slides at any time and at anywhere. You don't have to chase any course rep or any mate for slides. And also you can get access to design books, of which would help you in your assignment and projects, which would be a source of inspirations. And also you can get access to tutorials that would help you in your project. Finally, I would say about the AI feature added to this app, of which if you don't understand anything, you can just key in anything, then it will give you provisional answers to that. That's what makes me like it more.
I've currently seen the app and it's impressive, so I would try to rate it over 9. Yes, as they always say, the 1% is for the lecturer. Yes, so it is much impressive. It'll also help the first years to allocate their classes very easily, and then being able to interact with really the senior course mates and then also other alumni who is on the app. And then also I've seen there are slides available on the app, which is more interesting, because hence students wouldn't be finding it more difficult to go by chasing their course reps to ask for slides, and then also will be asking your lecturers for slides. And then I see that one to be also very impressive, so I give you a thumbs up for that.
For the overall experience, I would say that it's user-friendly, be it in the sense that it's very easy to navigate. You can access this app with ease. And also the interface is very colorful, which I'm very impressive about.
So on my first experience when I used the app, it was very easy to navigate. I didn't really need any assistance. I just logged in and then I just knew how everything was, where every feature was, and I was able to navigate, and it loaded very fast, and it's not very heavy. Yeah, I use let's go on my phone and everything, so that I like it. It's a nice.
And so the important feature that is very useful to me, I'll talk about is the tutorials. Me being the first year student in radio comm design, some courses and some projects might be difficult for me, but then watching the tutorial, it's quite simple for me to use the Photoshop, because it teaches you more about how to go about the softwares that we use in our program. And also I'll talk about the AI on the app. It's quite interesting. If you are reading anything in the slides or anything about on the app and you don't understand, you just get access to the AI and it'll give you any answer to that question, and it's a plus to that.
So the app has so many nice features. Yes, it has so many nice features. But the one I actually like most and I find very impactful is the part that says know the structure of the course. Because currently I'm in final year, and before I was able to choose the kind of option I want, I didn't really have a lot of information about it. So I actually struggled to choose which one should I go for. Should I go for advertising? Should I go for multimedia? But having this feature, I think the people behind me, first years and second years, would have full knowledge about what they are going to study. Yes, and so I find this feature very, very useful.
But features that I find it more interesting about the app is one, and the slide back. Yes, because now it's making it more convenient for us to get slides to link for our upcoming exams. Yes, and then the other one I'll talk of is the alumni. Now we have alumni on the platform, and every the continuing students, we have found it as a bridge for us to communicate to them, for us to get sorts of inspirations from them, and then also know our way out there, because they are making it in life. Yes, and then they've succeeded in the course. So right now it's serving as a bridge for us.
Want the innovators to bring in more competitive programs that will be engaging and then make the users like the apps more. So anything that would make the users stick to the app, as in any competition or any program that would be in our field and also motivate us as designers. That would be very helpful.
I like the timetable feature inside, where you would know the time of your class, what you have for the day, and then you prepare for it. But I would be much glad if the exams timetable is published during the exams time, and then reminders and notifications are there, so that you'll be prompted on the time you're going to write the paper, the day, the class you're going to write it as well. So if that feature is added to the app, it makes that very solid.